Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Okay, everybody is able to listen to me properly, right? There's no issues whatsoever. Okay. So, basically, guys, just a brief of what I'm currently doing. So, I'm currently suffering from food poisoning, but due to some reasons, I am currently in SRM, main campus. So, I'm currently in Chennai, SRM main campus itself. So, yeah, so tonight I will be here. Tomorrow morning, I will have to leave, but yeah, I'm still suffering from food poisoning. That is a case that I have to like maintain throughout the entire way itself. There's nothing that can be done about it. Okay, great guys. The voice is lagging. Is it lagging for everybody, or that is something that is happening for a singular person itself? Okay, great, amazing guys, amazing. So, before starting, guys, could you guys let me know what have we studied in our yesterday's class? Could you guys let me know what have we studied in our yesterday's class itself? Please let me know, guys. Could you guys let me know what have we studied in our yesterday's class? Okay, we studied about variables, console.log. Okay, we studied about data types. We studied about introduction to JavaScript, introduction to front end web development, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, we studied about alert. We studied about prompt. Okay, anything else, guys? Anything else that we have studied in our yesterday's class? Anything else that we have studied in our yesterday's class? Inspect element. Okay, good. Good. Just a quick revision, guys. Just a quick revision. Nothing else. I'm just trying to understand whether you guys are able to remember everything or not. Okay. So that we are able to continue further from that. Okay. So primitive data types, var. Okay. Good. Type of function. Okay. Good. Okay, great guys. So that is all that we studied yesterday. Okay, that is all that we studied yesterday, guys. In today's class, first of all, we'll try to understand what are the naming conventions when it comes to your variables. So variables is basically having a particular name that you have to give it to it, right? For example, you are having a variable and you have to give it a name, right? You have to provide a nickname right over there. So there are some rules and regulations on how to name these variables itself. So first we'll look at that. Secondly, we'll start with functions, guys. We'll start with functions as well. So we'll learn about functions as much as possible today. Today the class will be a little bit shorter. Okay, it will be a little bit shorter in duration because like I said, guys, I'm not feeling very good. So but still no issues. I will try to make sure that you guys are able to understand as much as possible, guys. Okay. Okay, so keeping in that in mind, shall we start with our today's class, guys? Please let me know. Shall we start with our today's class, guys? Please let me know, guys. Just a quick revision, guys. So we are going to study about naming conventions of variables. What is functions? Okay, an introduction to functions itself. And today's class will be a little bit short in duration because I'm currently traveling. I'm in SRM Chennai, that is the main campus. And I will be moving from here tomorrow morning. I'm currently suffering from food poisoning a little bit, so that is the reason why if I don't feel very well or pukish, then we'll have a class of a small time duration itself, but we'll have the class. Okay, so let's get started right away, guys. Let's get started right away. So variable naming conventions. Yesterday we saw how to create a variable, right? Yesterday we saw how to create a variable, right, guys? So could you guys let me know? Could you guys let me know what is the code to create a variable called as rent that has a value of 20,000 inside of it? Could you guys let me know? Could you guys let me know this? What will be the code to create a variable called as rent that has a value of 20,000 inside of it? So, some Samundra Khadal. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering your name. I'm not very good with names itself, but here is the first one that has written the correct answer. That is var rent is equals to 20,000 rupees. Okay, var rent is equals to 20,000 rupees. Guys, most of you are forgetting one thing, that is the semicolon at the end. Please do not forget that. Okay, please do not forget that there should be a semicolon at the end as well, guys. It is extremely important to remember that. Okay, yesterday I told you guys that as well. Good. So let us continue from right over there. Let me open up Paint for you guys. Paint. Paint. Okay, it is. I think so. It is taking some time to open it up. Give it a second or two to just breathe. Okay, yeah. So now it is working right now. So let us try to understand our concepts of naming a variable. So in programming, in every single programming language, there is some kind of convention, some kind of rules and regulations, and how you can name a particular variable. So for every programming language, it might differ. Like I said, it might differ for every single programming language, guys. For example, Java will have its own set of rules for naming a variable. C will have own set of rules for naming a variable. But most of these rules, because it's a unified thing, is very similar to each other. It's very similar, but it is not always the same. Please remember this, guys. It is not always the same, but yes, it is very similar to each other, guys. So let us try to understand this in JavaScript as well. So right over here, our variable name was rent. Okay, right over here, our variable name was rent, guys. Do you guys remember that? Please let me know. Do you guys remember that? Our variable name was rent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide the variable name into two separate parts. Okay, I'm going to divide the variable name into two separate parts, guys. The first part is going to be the first letter of the variable name. That is my first part of the variable name. And the second part is the rest of the variable name, guys. Second part is the rest of the variable name. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. I'm dividing the variable names into two parts. The first part contains just the first letter of the variable name. The second part basically contains the rest of the variable name itself. Okay. So now let us look at the rules and regulations. The first part, that is the first letter of the variable name. First, okay, my spelling and my handwriting both are shit. So please try to understand this. Okay, what I'm writing right over here. Okay, so first letter of variable. Okay, so what can it be, guys? It can be small a to capital, small a to small z. It can be capital A to capital Z, or it can be an underscore. Okay, it can be an underscore, guys. Now, what do you mean by underscore? Okay, what do you mean by underscore, guys? So if I'm writing SHA, okay, let me just remove the underline. So SHA underscore URYA. This is called, this symbol that you are able to see right over here, guys. This symbol that you are able to see right over here is referred to as underscore, guys. Underscore. If you guys don't know, this is called as an underscore, guys. The first letter of a variable name can be small a to small z, can be capital A to capital Z, or can be underscore. Anything else is not accepted. Okay, there can be no numbers, there can be no special characters, not at a rate, not hyphen, not dash, not at ampersand, not cat, nothing, no special symbol. It can only be small a to small z, capital A to capital Z, or an underscore. Anything else that you are thinking about that exists on your keyboard cannot be accepted. So I don't need to answer every single one individually, that sir, what about this or what about that. Just think, does that particular letter or that particular symbol exist in this particular permutation or combination? If it does, then yes, it is accepted. If it does not, then it is not accepted. As simple as that, guys. As simple as that. Okay. So the next particular thing is your second part of the variable name, guys. Second part of a variable name. Can we use dollar sign? Psycho gaming. What did I say right now? Are you able to see dollar sign in small a to small z? Are you able to see dollar sign in capital A to capital Z? Are you able to see dollar sign in an underscore? If you are able to see, I think so you need to get your specs updated. And if you are not able to see, then why are you asking me this question? As simple as that, man. Okay, think about it a little bit, guys. Think about it a little bit. Okay, so the second particular part, that is the rest of the variable name. Guys, one more thing, I will just let you guys know right now itself, so that at a later point of time you don't tell me that, sir, I was live in class, I gave 100% attendance, I gave all my attendance, still I'm not able to receive my certificates. So I have a team of 2 people. These are volunteers for DevTown, and they have just one role. They just look at the live chat, collect the names and email IDs of the people that are writing attendance in the live chat. Okay, and they just blacklist them. As simple as that. So even if they attend all our boot camps, they don't receive any certificates from our end. Because of a very simple fact, they were not here to study. They were asking for attendance in the middle of the class when I was teaching. That means they're not interested to study itself. So for those guys who are asking for attendance again and again, just be careful. Okay. If you continue doing that, don't come to me at a later point of time saying that I didn't receive a certificate. I will not be able to help you. Huh? I will not even try to help you. Okay. Just focus upon the class, learn as much as possible. Okay. So the next particular thing that we are having is the second part of the variable name, guys. The second part of the variable name is the rest of your variable name. Okay. Rest of variable. Okay, so right over here you are having your ent that you are able to see. This is the rest of the variable, right, guys? So you can have small a to small z right over there. You can have capital A to capital Z right over there. You can have an underscore as well right over there. As well as you can contain numbers 0 to 7. Okay, as well as you can contain numbers, sorry, 0 to 9. I'm so sorry, I don't know why I've written 0 to 7. Okay, 0 to 9, guys, 0 to 9. So these are the things that you can contain the rest of the variable name, guys. That means the first letter of a variable name cannot be a number, but the rest of the variable name can contain a number itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Amazing, guys, amazing. So now, once this is clear, let us take some examples to understand this. Okay, so 007 JB, that is James Bond, okay, is not a valid variable name, whereas JB007 is a valid variable name, guys. Why? Because here the first letter of the variable name is a number. The first letter of a variable name is a number that cannot be a number itself. Hence, this is not a valid variable name. Whereas right over here, this is the first letter is a capital letter and it contains a number. So that means that it is a valid variable name, guys. It is a valid variable name. That is the first thing. These are the first few pointers that I want you guys to understand. No special characters except underscore can be there in your variable name. No @, no hash, no dollar, no percentage, no cat, no ampersand, no star, no asterisk, nothing. Only underscore can be there. Okay. The next thing that I want you guys to understand about naming a variable is that variable names are case sensitive. In JavaScript, variable names are case sensitive. Now, what do I mean by case sensitive, guys? So you have heard about words like uppercase, wherein the alphabets are A, B, C, D. These are uppercase. Then you are having the alphabets at A, B, C, D. These are called as lowercase. Okay, so it is case sensitive. For JavaScript, these both A's have two different values. Okay, these both A's are two different values. What about dollar sign? So again, somebody is asking me a very question that I don't want to say something about it. Asbin, What about dollar sign? Asbin, is a dollar sign in a to small b? I don't think so. Is a dollar sign inside of capital A to capital B? I don't think so. Is a dollar sign equivalent to an underscore? I don't think so. And is a dollar sign equivalent to numbers? Oh man, I really don't think so. So in that particular case, is a dollar sign, can it come up inside of a variable name? I don't think so, man. Just think about it, man. Think about it. Okay. So right over here, this is called as being case sensitive. For your JavaScript, both your capital A B C D and your small a b c d are totally different things. Are totally different things, guys. Okay, totally different things. Okay, so right over here, if I'm writing small str, capital S, capital T, capital R, small s, capital T, small r, I'm writing capital S, small t, capital R, I'm writing capital S, small t, small r. All these will be considered as different variable names, guys. It's different variable names. Okay, these are different variable names, guys, according to JavaScript. Hence, it is called as case sensitive. It's called as case sensitive in nature. Again, guys, I know some of you have studied some other programming languages as well. Okay, so just like the rules of two different religions are different. Okay, for example, the rules and regulations for Hinduism and for Islam is very different. In a similar way, the rules and regulations for different programming languages is also different. The same person hasn't created all these programming languages. Different people have created it, so different kind of rules and regulations apply to it. So I know if you have learned one particular language, do not assume that the same thing goes and happens in another language. The rules might get changed. Okay. Great, guys. Okay, the next thing that I want you guys to understand, now that you have understood case sensitive language itself, the next thing that I want you guys to understand is you cannot use reserved keywords as variable names. Now, what do I mean by reserved keywords? For example, alert. Okay, ALERT, alert. PROMPT, prompt. Type of. Okay, you are having anything else. Okay, console. All these words have some special meaning in JavaScript. For JavaScript, these words have some special meaning to JavaScript, guys, and hence these words are called as keywords. Okay, hence these words are called as keywords because they have some special meaning to JavaScript. Like, think about them as the girlfriends of JavaScript itself. Okay, I know JavaScript has a lot of girlfriends, but let's assume that. So it is basically something that it has a lot of special meaning, special attachment to JavaScript. Okay, beforehand itself, JavaScript knows what is the meaning of alert, what is the meaning of prompt, what is the meaning of type of, what is the meaning of console. Okay, so in that particular case, you cannot use these words as your variable name, guys. You cannot use these words as your variable name. Sam Bhadwaj. Okay, Sam Bhadwaj, do not worry. I'm able to understand your concern. Okay, if you get some time, maybe 1 hour in the entire day, just go and visit the yesterday's class. You will understand why I was not able to take up your class on time itself. And you will also understand that what I have done for you guys, so that you guys are able to attend the classes very easily. So first, just attend the day 6 that I've done yesterday. And then let me know if you are still facing any problems. Okay, I made sure that you will not be facing any problems after that. That is my guarantee. Just go and watch the day 6 video for you, Sambar watch. Okay, so guys, I am not officially, my phone switched off, so now I'm not able to see your live chat as well. So I've just opened it up right over here. Okay, so are you guys able to understand everything up till this particular point of time? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand everything up till this particular point of time? Please let me know, guys. Amazing, amazing, guys, amazing. So what we are going to do right now, guys, I will just let you guys know that my phone switched off. Okay, so I'm not able to see your live chat itself. So I will come back to the live chat periodically to see your chats. Okay, I'm so sorry for that, but I will definitely do that. Okay, so let us get started with the next particular thing, guys. That is functions. Okay, that is functions. Now we have learned about variables, guys, right? We have learned about variables. So instead of using a particular value 500 times in a particular file and then having to change all those 500 different values whenever we want to change it, we use something called as variables. We create a pet name, we create a nickname for that particular value, and instead of using value right over there, okay, instead of using value right over there itself, okay, we use our variable name. Okay, we use our variable name itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Instead of using your value directly right over there, we use something called as variable name, right? Great. So in a similar way, sometimes what happens is that you have a piece of code. For example, every time, let's assume this, every time that the user is coming to my website, okay, every time the user is coming to my website itself, I want to ask him his name and I want to show a message to him that, hi Shaurya, welcome to DevTown. Okay, that is the message I want to showcase to every new user that is coming to my website. I want to take his name in. Okay, I want to take his name in that what is your name? So he will provide me with his name itself. And then I want to showcase a message back to him, guys, that, hi Shaurya, welcome to DevTown. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Guys, I'm not showing anything, so why do you want to see my screen? I'm just saying something. The whiteboard isn't there itself on the screen, so I'm just talking right over here. There is no whiteboard. Okay, so what I want to do is that let's go to our coding grounds itself. Let's do a right click, go to the inspect option. From the inspect option, go to the console itself, and this is where we are going to write our code. Now when we are writing our code in console, we are able to write just one sentence at a time, one sentence of code at a time, guys. So for example, right over here I want to write var name is equals to prompt, what is your name. Var name is equals to prompt, what is your name. Okay, this is what I want to write. Okay, as you guys are able to see on my screen, guys. Okay, we want to write this. Let me just hide it out. Okay. So as you're able to see, I cannot write more than this particular line of code. I'm just writing one line of code. As soon as I'm pressing enter, this line of code starts running. I'm able to see a prompt on my screen. I'm writing my name Shaurya right over here. Okay, and then I'm getting undefined. So we'll be discussing about undefined once we have completed our functions. Completed, not started. Okay, so right over here, as you're able to see, I'm just able to write one line of code inside of console. I want to write multiple lines of code. I want to write 2 3 lines of code and I want to run all of them together. I don't want to write one line of code and then run that, and then another line of code, then run that, then another line of code and then run that. I don't want to do that. I want to write multiple lines of code right over there and I want to run it immediately. I want to run all the lines immediately itself. So inside of console as well, we can actually do that. Okay, we can actually do that. So to understand that, first we need to understand something called as concatenation. Okay, we want to understand something called as concatenation, guys. Now give me a second. Let me, like this, it won't be good. Let me get my charger for the phone. Give me a second. That way I will at least be able to see what you guys are actually typing in the live chat, because like this even I am feeling bored without the presence of you guys being there. Okay, So I like to see you guys typing something that you guys able to understand or not, or something like that, or whatever your queries are. So give me a second. Let me just switch on my phone. Okay. So like I said, guys, we need to understand something called as concatenation. For example, if I'm doing 3 plus 4, guys, if I'm doing 3 plus 4, I'm getting my answer as 7, right, guys? I'm doing 3 plus 4 and I'm getting 7 as my answer. But what about if I am doing the addition on strings? These were numbers, right? We know, okay, 3 plus 4 is 7. What about hello plus world? Okay, what about this? Okay, if I'm writing hello plus world, what is happening is both the strings are getting concatenated. This thing is called as concatenation, wherein there are two strings individually. We are concatenating them together to form a single string. We are attaching them together. We are appending them together itself, guys. So hello world, from being two separate strings, we are able to get a single string called as hello world. This is called as concatenation, guys. It is not always compulsory that you have to work only on two strings. You can work on infinite number of strings, guys. You can work on infinite number of strings. So as you're able to see right over here, I have concatenated three strings together. First hello, then space, and then world. So the word that I'm currently creating is hello space world. That is my string, guys. That is my new string. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand concatenation? Team is lagging a lot. I think so. It should not be lagging right now. Guys, are you guys able to listen to me carefully? Please let me know. Are you guys able to listen to me carefully? Please let me know, guys. Is my voice audible right now? Is my voice audible to you guys right now? Okay, I understand there was some lagging. Okay, guys. So what I will do is we will take the class tomorrow itself. I will give you guys the attendance link for today. I will give you guys the attendance link for today, guys. Do not worry. You guys can fill out the attendance link for today. Okay, the attendance link will be open for you guys for the next 10 minutes. Okay, the attendance link will be open for you guys for the next 10 minutes itself. We will conduct the class tomorrow. Once again, do not worry. I am able to understand there is some issues with the internet. Okay, so do not worry about it. We'll have the class tomorrow itself. Okay, do not worry about it. So we'll have the class tomorrow. Right now I'll take up the attendance itself for you guys. Okay, I will take up the attendance for you guys. Do not worry about it, guys. Do not worry. I'll take up the attendance for you guys right now. You have 10 minutes to fill out your attendance, guys. Please fill out your attendance on time for today. Okay, so we'll have the class tomorrow itself. Do not worry. The last topic that I've taught you guys, I understand that there was a lot of lagging. I will re-explain that. So do not worry about it, guys. Do not worry about it. Okay, I will re-explain the entire topic to you guys. So don't worry. Right now, just fill out the attendance link. We'll have the class tomorrow. Okay, once again, do not worry. Okay, for today, just fill out the attendance, guys. We'll extend the number of days of the boot camp by 1 day. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. I'm providing you guys with the attendance link, guys. I'm providing you guys with the attendance link. 10 minutes, guys, for filling up the attendance link. Please fill out your attendance link right now. Okay, please fill out your attendance thing right now, guys. I will pin it up. Okay, the attendance thing will be open till 8:10. Okay, the attendance thing will be open till 8:10. So how will you cover both JavaScript and React in 7 days? Do not worry. I've already conducted 5-6 boot camps on React and JavaScript. You don't have to worry about that. Okay. Okay, so I've provided you guys. Are you in SRM KTR campus? I'm in SRM main campus. I don't know which campus it is. It's the main campus. Which campus is it? KTR campus. Okay, it's the KTR campus itself. Yeah, it's the SRM KTR campus. Do we attend classes on weekends? Yes, the classes will go on weekends as well. Okay. Thank you so much, Komal, for understanding. So guys, I've provided you guys with the attendance link. It will be open till 8:10, guys. Please try to make sure that you guys are able to fill up the attendance link up till then. It was great meeting you guys. I'm so sorry that there was some type of disturbance that was going on with the classes. We will definitely have the class tomorrow properly with proper internet, guys. And we'll continue from right over there. Okay, do not worry about it, guys. Tomorrow we'll have proper classes. Okay, and we will. I watched yesterday's class on Tinder clone, but your attendance form is not active. Ambrose, the attendance link is still open. I have not closed it up yet. Okay, guys, so we'll meet tomorrow, guys. Okay, please fill out your attendance by 8:10. Okay, and yeah, if okay, next time that I come to SRM, do let me know. I'm from SRM campus, Chesta Bhatia. So that's great, Chesta. I am living in the five. Okay, V5 hotel or something. I don't remember the exact name. V5 hotel. So yeah, it's near the campus itself. That's great. Okay. Hmm. Okay, guys. So I'm from SRM KTR. That's great. Noob gamers. SRM KTR, same campus. Yoga Yoga. That's great. Is anybody else also from SRM that I don't know? Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Rohit. Okay, guys, so we will meet tomorrow. Yes, you can leave, guys. The class is over. The class is over, guys. We will continue from tomorrow. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, the class is over. We'll continue from tomorrow itself. So Rohan is also from SRM KTR. So I'm also there in SRM KTR, Rohan. I will be leaving tomorrow morning. So tonight I'm here. Uh, okay. Okay, guys, so we'll meet tomorrow, guys. Okay, today class I'm not able to take it properly due to the internet issues, but tomorrow we'll arrange a good internet for you and we'll take up the class properly. Okay, so we'll continue from right over there and we'll take up one extra session, so do not worry about it. Tomorrow's session is also from 7:30 itself. The class is over, guys. You guys can leave definitely. Okay, do not worry about it. We'll meet tomorrow, guys. Please have a nice day. Please try to learn as much as possible. Focus upon your teachings itself. So what qualifications you did, just asking. So Amir Khan, I have completed my BTech in CSE. I've worked in companies like Reliance. I worked there as a data analyst intern, then Geo as a data scientist intern, then Google as an Explore ML intern as well as in job. I worked in Fastnell as a software engineer as well. So that is basically my qualifications up till now. Okay. Okay, guys. So please do fill out the attendance link. Okay, it will be open till 8:10, guys. We'll meet tomorrow at 7:30. Please be on time. Okay. And we'll continue from right over there. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye, guys. Bye. Yes, today the class was a pretty less, but do not worry. We'll be extending the number of days of the bootcamp from 7 days to 8 days to cover up everything. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, you don't have to worry about it, guys. We'll take care of everything. Do not worry. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye, guys.